Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find simple interest when time is given in months. In this video we will be solving two questions where the time period is given in months. In our first question we have been given principal amount as 9600 rupees, rate of interest as 7.5% per annum and time period as 5 months, and we need to find the simple interest. So our principal amount is 9600, rate of interest is 7.5%. So let us convert it into improper fraction. So this comes out to be 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So rate of interest is 15 divided by 2% per annum. Our time period is given as 5 months. Let us convert this 5 months into years. So 5 months will become 5 divided by 12 years because there are 12 months in a year. So our time period will become 5 by 12 years. We'll use our formula for simple interest as simple interest is equal to principal times rate of interest time period divided by 100. Let us put these values in our formula. Principal amount is 9600. Rate of interest is 15 divided by 2. So 15 by 2. And time period is 5 divided by 12 divided by 100. So we have now written all the values in our formula. Let us simplify this. 2 zeros in the denominator get cancelled with the 2 zeros in the numerator. This is 12 times 1 and 12 times 8 is 96. And then 2 times 1 and 2 times 4 is 8. So we are left with 4 times 15 times 5, which comes out to be 300 rupees, which comes out to be rupees 300. This is our simple interest. So simple interest on amount of rupees 9600 for 5 months at a rate of 7.5% is 300 rupees. This is our final answer. So let us solve one more example where we have been given time in months. So this is our second example for finding the simple interest when the time period is given in months. Here we have to find the simple interest when the principal amount is rupees 1500, rate of interest is 12% per annum and time is 3 years 3 months. As our previous question, we will first convert our time period into years. Time period given here is 3 years 3 months. So 3 years is 3 times 12 months, which is equal to 36 months, plus 3 more months is given, 3 years 3 months. So total time period will become 39 months, which is equal to 39 divided by 12 years, as there are 12 months in a year. So this is 39 divided by 12 or 39 by 12 years. So our new time period is now 39 by 12 years. Let us now put these values in the formula for simple interest, which is equal to principal times rate times t divided by 100, where rate is in percentage. So our principal amount is 1500, rate is 12% per annum and time period is 39 divided by 12 years divided by 100. So we can simplify this. These 2 zeros gets cancelled with these 2 zeros and 12 times 1 and 12 times 1. So we are left with 15 times 39. So this is how, by dividing the time period given in months by 12 to convert it into years, we can find the simple interest by using the same formula very easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.